Welcome to API Connect, a no-code platform that integrates the apps you use and automates your workflows. In this video we will integrate Google Sheets with MailChimp to automate workflows between the two apps. We will choose a trigger from Google Sheets and then an action from MailChimp. Please watch the video till the end. Start by selecting Google Sheets as your trigger app. Next, choose a trigger event. This is the trigger event that will initiate the flow in Connect. Select the one that will fit your needs. Now select MailChimp as your action app. Next, choose an action event. This is the event that will initiate the flow in Connect.